Qeeq Tutorial 2025, How to Book Cheap Car Rentals Online. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how Qeeq works and how you can save money on your next car rental. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below. You'll find exclusive coupon codes, discount offers, and special deals that can help you save a lot on your booking. Alright, with that out of the way, let's jump right into it. Qeeq is a really simple and easy-to-use website for comparing car rental prices across multiple platforms. You just need to enter your pickup location, drop-off location, pickup and return dates and times, then click search to get your quote. Once you do that, you'll see a list of car options from different companies, and here's where you can find some great savings. For example, you might see prices from Budget, Europe Car, Enterprise, and others all in one place. Budget might offer something around $215, Europe Car at $207, Enterprise at $617, and OK Mobility for as low as $73. So it really pays to compare. Sometimes the difference is huge. Now, before you choose, don't forget to check the link in the description. There might be a promo code you can apply to bring the price down even further. You just have to select the car you like, then click on View Deal. After that, all the details of the car will appear. After that, fill in your address and click the Buy Now button. Then select your payment method. When you're ready, simply click the Book Now button, confirm your details, make your payment, and you're good to go. It's that easy, super convenient, fast, and perfect for comparing rental companies in one place. So that's how you can use Qeeq to find and book your next rental car at the best price. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to check the link in the description one last time for exclusive discount codes and deals on your booking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.